Got him. Hooked up, boy. That's how you do it, baby.
Talk about, boy.
There, oh my God. There he is. I got him, dog. Tugger. Tripled up, bro. Let's go. Let's go, baby. You gotta land him, bro. You gotta land him. Boom, baby. Let's get it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Tripled up. Shit, bro. Look at this mud, bro. Well, welcome back, everybody. I just shot that intro while going through a car wash, but my name is Nick. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button to join the family. I just tried to drive away in neutral. That shows you kind of how we get down on this channel. We're gonna do a little spot hopping. I might link up with my homie a little bit later today. He's not up because his ass don't get up till late. Sleepy ass. I'm up early, so I'm gonna go hit some spots until he gets up, and we're gonna see if we can get anything to produce. It was literally like 70-mile-per-hour gusts, and yesterday, I mean, it was crazy. It was rain, super windy. The water's probably screwed up. I know the big lake's screwed up. There ain't no smallmouth fishing going on right there for a while until that clears up. And just today's a little bit different. It's overcast. It's a little bit chilly. It's 47 right now, it says, but well, as you can see, like I said, overcast. We're gonna see if we can't get anything. We're real close to the first spot that we're gonna try out that I've had some luck at, so we'll go check that out. So starting out with a little spinnerbait, a little double wire, all white. Caught them on it here, or caught them on it here last time I was here, which was a while ago. Yep, that's on the other side. Just because I want to see what's down there. I want to see if there's some grass. Oh my goodness. Following it from out deep like that, bro. You guys know the vibes. Catching them on the spinnerbait. They're getting stockier. We're always letting them go so they can grow and get big, sassy. Oh, he hit right there, bro. Like right at that mother. I was not expecting that. Right at the drain pipe, smacked it. Okay, we're back in the car. I'm gonna go ahead and call that a success because we caught some fish. Now it's time to link up with the old guy. We're gonna go find some other spots and hopefully find some more fish. Caught some here, lost some here, missed some here, you know. Same old, so. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It dumped for a little bit, bro. Got him, bro. Yep. He's pulling, bro. Yes, sir.
I got him.
Yes, sir. Bing.
Okay.
It went boom. I was like, there's gotta be some fish up in there. Bing.
Teamwork.
Little Brom. Fat boy.
I'm gonna take a picture right here. Heck yeah, that's a short one, but shit.
Here we go, guys. Illinois.
Yeah, so I'm telling you now, I had to have confirmed that bite for me. Smallmouth shit.
Oh, almost just took out my ankle. There he is. Got him. Oh, he came off. Yes. Ah, I knew he was back there, bro. Damn it, bro. Look at him. Is that a largemouth?
It looks like it.
Oh, it's a nice smallmouth. Nice. Got him.
Yes. Man, are you kidding me on the old slip?
Honestly, he's...
I was throwing this chatterbait and some current, slack current, and I was vertical jigging it over trees.
You see that? And it
And
produced.
boom, boom. God, do I love these fish, man. It's always a good day when we get double smallmouth.
Shit, boy, we yink.
Doing it.
Didn't come out the house thinking I was smallmouth fishing today, but we are doing it.
You know,
We switch it up, you feel me? Check him out.
Another beauty. Look how beautiful it is. And some grass. Muddy water smallmouth
Crushed it.
fishing. Let's go.
Bing. Crushed it. That's what I'm saying. I've been looking at that shit.
Got one.
Got him. Hooked up, boy.
Nice, Rob.
Yes, sir.
Come on, hit this one.
That's how you do it, baby.
Talk about, boy.
There. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, bro. You gonna get him on that cast, bro. He just murked it. Got him. I'm telling you, got him.
Oh, I found the school, dog.
Get a little school over there. There he is. I got him, dog. Tugger. Tugger, bro. Oh my goodness.
Get him. Triple.
Tripled up, bro. Let's go. Let's go, baby. You gotta land him, bro. You gotta land him. You gotta. Oh yeah, this is a nice one, bro.
Get yours.
Come here. Oh yes, bro. Look at him, bro. Boom, baby. Let's get it. Tripled up. Let's go. And it's on camera. Look at this motherfucker, bro.
Oh yeah, that's a long skipper.
You see it here? You see it?
Ah, yeah.
Oh yeah!
Yes, sir. Tripled up.
That's a good one, boy.
Shit, bro. Look at this mud, bro.
That bad
He's
girl's
long,
long,
G.
man. She's feeding too.
Hey, Nick, it's what's coming out here today.
Oh, 100%, man. 100%.
And
Hold on, guys.
oh, you got yours at the bottom
At
of
the
the
bottom, bro.
Chatterbait, let's go.
Come on.
What y'all know about
Tripled
that
up.
rip life? That ripping cheddar.
Go.
Oh,
get it.
good.
Yes, sir.
That pig over there.
Got
Oh,
him.
Nick got a stud. Look at that one. Boom shot.
Bing.
Got like a boom.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
let's group.
First time.
Nick, you gotta do the. You didn't do the let him go so they can throw.
There
I
you
ain't
go,
got no-
there you go.
Oh,
There you
bro.
go. Oh, that's a good one, Tim.
There we go, baby. Get back in there. Oh, yeah. Look at him.
Look at this one here.
Look at him.
Oh, look at this.
He's fat as hell, G. Gotta make that cast, bro. He's fat as hell. You guys see it? Everything's been recorded, G. Come
Beautiful.
on now.
Epic session.
Yes, sir. I'm talking like stockier than a motherfucker, dude. What have you been eating? Dude, I set the hook, could not move him. So strong. That ass motherfucker, bro. I'm talking big boy.
Just had to address it. I was bad luck. That's all.
Just flying up in that current, G. Come here. Oh, he's not massive. He's just fat, bro.
Yeah, he's thick though.
Thick little football. Just successful. Successful, you dig. Successful day. We caught some smallmouth. Wasn't expecting it. A little bit of that multi-species action going on. If you like the video, hit that like button. So some support. We caught some smallmouth, which is always fun. Caught some largemouth today. Oh, I can't see. We caught some largemouth today too. So a little multi-species action going on out here with the boy clock. If you enjoyed, smash the like button. We're gonna peace out here. Got a long drive back to the house. So I guess I'll see you guys on the next episode. Thanks again for watching. Peace it out.